Hi guys, so this is my first voiceover, so if I sound crazy, it's because I sound crazy. Okay, so basically at this point, as you can see, my head looks like a hot mess. That's because as you can see, I haven't been retwisted in like 4 months, and that's mostly because I just don't really like to retwist because okay, fine, I'm lazy. I don't like to retwist, but and also because at the beginning I didn't really like how my hair looked when it was retwisted. It just was too clean, and I didn't really like the clean look. I have semi free-form locks, so and that's how I want it to be. I don't like palm rolling. As you can see, I haven't palm roll. I just twisted a little, and mostly because I can't palm roll. I try, but I only do it for the roots anyway. So I don't want anything. I don't want no palm rolling to the ends because my hair is already fine, and I don't want my hair to. I want as much thickness and fullness as possible, basically. So I just don't palm roll all the way to the end. But I'm using. I don't know if you saw, but I'm using a leave-in conditioner plus water, but my water has like oils. It has peppermint oil, wild girl hair oil, coconut oil, and water. So that's what I'm spraying in my hair in each row. And I made my own gel. Well, it's not my own gel. I just took 2 gels and put it together. Aloe vera gel and got to be glue. I just put a little smidget of got to be glue. Mostly aloe vera, but I just needed something to give my hair a little bit of a hold because the aloe vera gel doesn't work too well, but it's light. Don't have no alcohol or not. Of course, the got to be glue has, but I just use a smidget and a ton load of aloe vera gel. Mix it together really good, and now I have my perfect gel because now it works. Like, my hair stays. Period. So, you know, I just gave you guys a tip. But yeah, I'm gonna get off of here now because I'm talking a little bit too much. Clearly, you can see what's going on. I'm just gonna continue retwisting my hair, and then if you see me bending down, it's mostly because I was getting tired. By the time I reached to this row right here, that's when I was like, break time. And I just started. Yep, that's me. right here at this point is when I realized, like, oh my god, my hair might actually come out really nice this time. Not that it hasn't come out nice before, but like I said, I don't really like it to be too spacey and whatnot. So I think this 4-month break really did something. Maybe some people might watch and be like, really? I don't really see anything. But but I know what I'm seeing. Yeah. So, please excuse my parts. They're kind of like all over the place because, like I said at the beginning, I was getting tired. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning that I don't even do my own retwists. My boyfriend does my retwists. So yeah, I do his, he does mine. And yeah, that's why my parts look like that. I tried. I was just getting a little too tired. I'm pretty sure you could relate. I'm pretty sure, you guys could relate. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Really nice, clean, fresh, not too spacey due to my 4-month my 4-month long wait. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss my new uploads. So thank you, bye.